Alright, I'm going to take you through the disassembly of the Criveller Company bottle filling machine. On the reservoir here, you're going to have these nozzles holders here where the dispensers are. All you got to do is loosen the screw up here and pull them right out. I took the hose off of here, but really all you need are hose clamps and it'll go back on just fine. These are a little tricky. Now I recommend using vice grips, but you want to be careful not to score the stainless steel. I'm grabbing the vice grip. So I use a paper towel or something. Rubber glove or something might work too. And wrap the bottom around. So I'll pull this up. It helps if you have something to hold it. Like this piece of wire here. It's going to hold it open for me, and then I'll wrap the bottom. Maybe that won't work. I'll go the other way. There we go. That's about right. Perfect. And loosen. That wasn't too bad. Some of them are pretty tight. But you do want to be careful. If something doesn't seem to screw or come undone or something, just take it easy and look at it first. Some of these have burrs in them. Gotta use the vice grips almost the whole way out. Okay. So I'll just look at these with the threading, clean it up and everything. I'll just release pressure, take this out, and then this part with the hose and everything, the dispenser, can just pull right down. There you go. Now this piece here, you've got to see the threading here. You just got to screw this until this part comes out the top. It has to come out the top. You might need to hold this part with vice grips if it's not seeming to come apart too easily. But I mean, this is dirty, pretty dirty. This needs cleaned more often than what it was being done before I got here. So yeah, that's dirty. That'll pop right out. See, that'll slide in here. This also needs to come apart. There's a gasket inside of here. You can use an adjustable wrench and possibly vice grips. Should come apart fairly easily. You just need to bust it loose and then you can take it out by hand. Well, I think I dropped it. And inside of there, there's a special kind of gasket. It's got a spring on it and everything. I didn't see that on the other ones. Those definitely need to be ordered. But that's about it for the disassembly of these nozzles. Should be done. So if you're thinking about putting it off, I wouldn't. Thanks for watching.